most cars don't even make it past 200,000 miles. They start rattling, leaking, breaking down, and eventually, you give up. But what if your car could last 700,000 miles? No major breakdowns. No endless repair bills. Just reliability, year after year. Sounds impossible? Well, it's not. My car hits 700k miles, still runs like new, and it's not because I'm lucky. It's because I follow 10 simple habits. Habits that anyone can do. These aren't expensive upgrades or crazy mods. They're the small things that separate regular cars from legends. So if you want your ride to live long and drive strong, here's where it starts. Let's begin with the single habit that secretly controls your car's entire lifespan. Oil is the blood of your engine. Skip an oil change, and it's like running a marathon without water. You're asking for failure. Every 3,000 miles, or 5,000 if you're using full synthetic, that oil needs to go. Why? Because it gets filled with metal shavings, dirt, and sludge that grind away at your engine from the inside. You can have the best car in the world, but without fresh oil, it'll die faster than you think. Every million-mile Toyota or 700k Honda has one thing in common: regular oil changes. It's boring, it's simple, but it's the foundation of everything. And here's the kicker: even perfect oil won't save you if you're making this one mistake every single morning. When your car's cold, your oil is thick, your parts are stiff, and everything's still waking up. So when you rev hard right after starting, you're grinding cold metal together. A lot of people idle their cars for 10 minutes, thinking that helps. It doesn't. It actually causes buildup and wastes fuel. The right way? Start your engine, wait 30 seconds, then drive gently for the first few minutes. Let it warm up by moving, not sitting still. Your engine doesn't need to idle, it needs to flow. Treat it gently when cold, and it'll thank you later. But even if you're doing that right, most people ruin their cars at the gas pump without realizing it. When the nozzle clicks, your tank is full. Period. That extra squeeze? It's not more gas, it's damage. Because when you overfill, you flood the evaporative emissions system, a set of sensors and filters that control fumes. Do that often, and you'll trigger the dreaded check engine light, or worse, kill a $500 component. So when it clicks, stop. Let it breathe. That's your car saying, "I'm good." But fueling right is just one part, because there's another fluid most drivers completely forget. And that's why transmissions fail before 150k miles. This one's a silent killer. Transmission fluid keeps every gear moving smoothly, but over time, it burns, breaks down, and fills with metal dust. That's when you start feeling those jerky shifts, that hesitation, that slip. So change it every 60,000 miles. Don't wait until it smells burnt or looks dark. By then, it's too late. And here's a tip: if your car's never had it changed, don't flush it. Flushing can shock the system. Instead, do a gentle service. Clean fluid equals smooth shifting, and smooth shifting means longevity. But what about a habit that costs you nothing and still saves your brakes, fuel, and wallet? If you drive right up to a red light and slam your brakes, congratulations, you're burning money. When you see a stop ahead, ease off early and coast. You'll save fuel, reduce wear, and glide to a stop like a pro. Every time you coast, you're preserving your brake pads. Think of it like free maintenance. The calm, predictive driver always wins in the long run. Your passengers might not notice it, but your wallet will. And while we're talking about heat and wear, there's one fluid that keeps your engine alive, and it's often forgotten until it's too late. Coolant doesn't last forever. Over time, it loses its protective additives, turns acidic, and starts eating your engine from the inside. Every 3 to 5 years, flush it out and replace it. And never ever mix coolant colors. Different types react badly together, creating sludge that clogs your radiator and heater core. Coolant is your engine's blood. Keep it clean, and your engine will never overheat in the middle of nowhere. But while fluids matter, weight does too. And most drivers are unknowingly carrying a few hundred pounds they don't need. Every 100 pounds of extra junk equals less fuel economy, more wear. That old toolbox, beach chair, gym bag, and random stuff in your trunk? They're costing you money every mile you drive. A lighter car accelerates faster, brakes smoother, and rides easier. So clean it out, give your car a break. It's simple physics and free performance. But even the lightest, cleanest car won't survive if you ignore the sounds it's trying to tell you. Cars don't fail out of nowhere, they whisper first. A new rattle. A squeak. A hum that wasn't there last week. That's your car saying, hey, something's wrong. Catch it early, and it's a $50 fix. Ignore it, and it's a $2,000 disaster. Your car talks. You just have to listen. And speaking of sounds, there's one you'll never hear until it's too late. Here's a sneaky one. Your fuel pump sits inside the gas tank and it's cooled by the gasoline around it. When you constantly run low, that pump runs hot and it burns out long before it should. Plus, when your tank gets near empty, sediment and dirt at the bottom start circulating, clogging filters and injectors. So keep your tank above a quarter full. It's a tiny habit that'll save you big down the road. And now, the one habit almost no one does, but every mechanic swears by. Even if you're on flat ground, use it. When you park and rely only on P, all the weight of your car presses against one tiny metal pin inside your transmission. That's called the parking pole, and when it fails, your car can roll or your transmission can crack. Using your emergency brake takes the pressure off. It's a 2-second move that protects your gearbox for years. Pull it up. Make it a habit. And you'll never have to worry about waking up to your car rolling down the driveway. 10 habits, simple, powerful, and proven. But let's wrap this up with one final thought. Here's the truth. There's no magic trick to make a car last 700,000 miles. No secret product. No miracle mechanic. It's discipline. The little habits, done right, done consistently. Change your fluids. Drive smart. Travel light. Listen to your car. Do those things, and it won't just last, it'll thrive. That's the difference between cars that die young and cars that outlive their owners. So start today. Treat your car right and it'll pay you back mile after mile. And if you found this video helpful, don't stop here. Check out our next video, 7 maintenance myths that are draining your wallet. You'll be shocked how many of them you're still doing.